Two wrongs can't make a right. Can't say you trust me, I ain't stop search up my things. That mean a lie you tell me, it not right.
I you search my phone and you know say you shoulda do that. Nah defend your actions, me no quarterback. Keep track like say you want me all me knock. Yes, say I'm my last, but me no want you back. From your wrong, me I tell you say you're wrong. If you never broke my code, you wouldn't know me have a man. Say me go a London, fi go fuck Jordan. Though you well insecure, me never abandon. You lie, say you trust me but vex if me try deny. You lie, if you claim say you rate me then why you spy? You lie. Lurk, you a say you a work hard to try. You lie. So me I go left you fi be with the next guy. The point is not say me unfaithful. Never this the front of you say shoulda well grateful. The fact is say you invading on my privacy. It well clear say you not no respect for me. You mo blame see where you no fi see. Then you hurt vex and a cuss you no trust to man them a dirt. When you fi rest fi next morning a work. When you hear me na the night pan me phone you a lurk. You lie. Say you trust me but vex if me try deny. You lie. If you claim say you rate me then why you spy? You lie. This a lurk you a say you a work hard to try. You lie. So me I go left you fi be with the next guy. Me never yet search your phone. Me no trouble where you own. Say you a big man, but your action show me say you're not fully grown. Beat once, twice, do it back again. All when we great you a search for problem, complain till me weak you not comprehend. So me left you for me other boyfriend.